Hey everyone, Jan here today, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very popular workflow template of ours, which is Internal Abbreviations Creator. So what it does is that you give it your internal documents, and your internal documents often hold somewhat internal abbreviations, such as CAC for customer acquisition costs. Often these kind of abbreviations are different across different departments. Or if you're also just curious what abbreviations are used within your company and you're maybe not even aware of all the abbreviations, if you run this workflow, it's creating this kind of Google Sheet in the end. It can also be an Excel sheet, or if you prefer Airtable and you see, for example, Customer Data Platform, CDP, or Customer Relationship Management, CRM, and a definition with this. And how does this actually work? It iterates over each of these internal documentations. It gives it to an AI agent. The AI agent is then looking actually into this document and trying to understand if there are abbreviations. Then this is going to get the values from our Google Sheet. So we want to understand which abbreviations we already have there. So we don't want to create duplicated abbreviations, because maybe we have created already an abbreviation document, the one that I showed you before. And finally, we want to write these abbreviations back to this Google Sheet. This agent can update the cells, add rows, and get values in a range. We could also give it more tools, but this should be sufficient. And max steps 3 means that the agent will iterate maximum 3 times until it finally executes. And then we just basically generated this Google Sheets, and this is going to look like this then in the end. So to get started with this, you just use this template, create like a collection. So create a Needle collection, connect this to your Google Drive or your Confluence documents, wherever you have these kind of internal definitions which you want to extract the abbreviations from. And for each of this document, the agent is going to extract the abbreviations. And finally, we want to put these abbreviations in a structured output so we can make it accessible for everybody within the company. So we kind of align the language that different kind of people talk across different departments, which often can be also a communication bottleneck. So to get started with this, just use this template, and we are excited to see what you are building with Needle, and see you soon. Cheers here from Jan.